Hi everyone, Darko here for your daily trade example. This one is about Aussie Kiwi. I had a trade on my radar that I pointed out for my paying clients, and let's hear what I had to say about that trade, and I will talk you through it. Aussie Kiwi though, opposing levels, unless I tell you I'm aware of that opposing level, just disregard them. We are trading in alignment with the underlying pressure. In this specific case, we have a double neckline on a monthly chart that is very significant level. It's also a significant level on a weekly chart. Okay, we took this trading opportunity with a low stop loss. Everything's good. I assume we took something off wherever that might be. What we do have right now is a new signal. What that new signal is, so every time we have a new signal, I'm trying to cover those as educationally and clearly and detailed as humanly possible. Once you have a new candle closing like this, in this specific case it's a monthly candle. We also had a weekly candle when this trade presented itself. So once you have a new monthly candle clearly closing above a significant neckline, price usually not always comes down into that level before further upside. If that happens in here, we have no idea the probability or the market do what the market wants. So what I'm looking in here is basically a retracement back into this level. Price could be heading up anywhere from this and in here basically. So this entire level is where price could be doing this. As long as you have your stop loss below in here, you should be on the safe side. If this happens, you just take a full loss or reduced loss depending how things goes. So this is a trade that I am interested in for further upside. So this is a pending order. There we go. You heard me talk about this trade for the reason I mentioned in my PMA. I was very interested in this level, and there was some questions around the corner, when price was very close to this so-called opposing levels, and I was very clear that I don't care about opposing levels when I have an underlying bias. And I also said, if that opposing level disturbs you, don't take that trade. It's completely okay. Everything is based on your game plan. And obviously we got filled in here, and by the end of this day things didn't look good, and this is why you need to have a rock solid game plan, because I was very clear, like anywhere between here and in here, if price is going up, we don't know that in advance if price is going up, down or sideways, but I said as long as you have your stop loss, let me just grab my pen for you, below this level in here, so somewhere between the entry and the stop loss, my analysis tells me that price will be doing something like that. And obviously if price goes down, well, we just take a full loss or a reduced loss. By the end of this day, I risk reduced. Okay, and that means I'm not taking a full loss anymore, and I have rules for that. And this trade needed 85 pips. And obviously by the time we hit these double necklines in here, price was up more than 1.5 to 1. Okay, and you might have an ultimate target for TP2. We hit that for just over 2.5 to 1. Okay, and if you are trailing your stop loss based on having your stop loss below the weekly candles, well, you are still in this trade, enjoying the ride, and you are aiming for the upside. So like I said, the trade management is very personal. It depends what resonates with you. I like to, once I'm up 1 to 1, I take out something and I have an ultimate target. If there are some potential on my yearly monthly chart, I can trail that stop loss based on the yearly candles, or the advanced pullback on my entry time frame. There are several ways of doing things. Don't be greedy. These 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1s, 5 to 1s, they add up, and from time to time you take a reduced loss. Sometimes happens we take a full loss as well. This is trading. It's a probability game. The accuracy, the PMA accuracy for 2022 has been beyond my expectations. At some point things will turn south on you, and you need to deal with a losing streak, and you need to stick to your game plan. and dig yourself out of that and continue doing the same thing I've been doing for the past 5 years. Okay, so every single one of these free videos that I'm providing takes at least an hour of my time, and I hope that you appreciate the time and effort that I'm putting into those videos. Only thing that I'm asking for, if you like the content and you find it useful, hit that thumbs up, and I will be encouraged to do more videos for you. Okay, and if the long-term trading or the short-term trading is within the cards for you, and I'm the lead coach for the long-term service, where I basically spend 30 minutes a day going through my charts and then put those orders in, and I'm providing 2 PMAs a week. If there's anything changing in the market, if I have any questions that needs to be answered, I just record an additional PMA for my paying clients. Okay, it's a very hands-off service. It's a very hands-off way of approaching the market. Zero stress involved. You spend basically 98% of the day whatever you want, and you spend that 2% doing your analysis once you understand my concept. And that's the time that will take for you to go from stage 1 to stage 4 trader under my coaching. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for listening, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.